Okay. I believe that you can't really control your thoughts. You can manage your thoughts. Thoughts are something that are coming from your subconscious mind. They're stored in your subconscious mind. An average human being, it is said that thinks close to about 50 to 60,000 thoughts a day. And they say most of those thoughts, almost 59,000 plus thoughts are thoughts which you've thought yesterday, which means they are repetitive in nature. Now, you can't control the thoughts. You can't tell your thoughts right now, okay, now the thoughts, I don't want you to come right now. Don't enter my mind, don't disturb me. They're never going to stop. You just try it. Just try telling your mind, stop thinking please. Will it stop? No. The thoughts are like waves of the ocean. Waves come out from the ocean. Do they stand there only? It goes back into the ocean. Thoughts are like that. They come out from the ocean of your subconscious mind, and it's an ocean. The thoughts come out from the subconscious mind. They come into your conscious mind. Now, the moment you give it importance, the moment you think about the thought, and you add another thought to it, or a feeling, or an emotion, then that thought takes over your mind. But if you observe your thoughts, if you witness your thoughts, you can actually be able to filter and decide and see which thoughts you should give more importance to. That's why I'm saying you cannot control, you can't control, but you can manage your thoughts. You can manage and decide which thought you should give more importance to, which thought you should just allow to go back into your subconscious mind. And once you start that practice of witnessing, becoming an observer of your mind, I always love making this statement, think how you are thinking. We have the power to do it. Think how you are thinking. And when you do that as an exercise, over a period of time, when it becomes a practice, you become a better manager of your mind and its thoughts. It's a doable thing. It requires practice. That's it.